Hi there. Welcome to or back to the ingredient channel where I share simple and delicious homemade Chinese recipes every week. In this episode, I'm going to show you a mouth-watering stuffed bitter melon recipe which leverages the melon's bitterness perfectly to add the fresh and delightful kick to the already very delicious dish. Want to find out how? Follow me. First, we're going to use a medium-sized Chinese bitter melon. Remove both ends. Then cut the melon into 1.5 centimeter long segments. Use a spoon or a small knife to remove the seeds and soft tissue around it. Spray a pinch of salt. Set aside for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the fillings. 2 small red chili peppers, remove seeds and membranes. Chop some scallion rinds. We need about 2 tablespoons. And then slice and dice the red chili peppers. A third pound of ground turkey, add chopped scallion and red chili peppers. 2 tablespoons light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon fish sauce. Mix a bit. One tablespoon of cooking wine. Half a teaspoon of salt. Mix towards one direction until the liquid ingredients get fully absorbed. Two tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix again. Stuff the bitter melon segments with the fillings. Steam over high heat for about 15 minutes. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, Add a mixture of 1 tablespoon of fermented black beans, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon water, 2 teaspoons of starch. Until the sauce gets thick, switch off the heat. Add a little bit oyster sauce and drip the sauce on top of the steamed stuffed melons evenly. Bon appetit! The dish is savory, a little spicy, juicy, soft, and full of flavor. You've got to try it. Thanks for staying through the end of this video, and hope you enjoy the recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Until next time, happy cooking.